Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Oh my gosh, another video today? Crazy. Anyways, I don't think a lot of y'all heard about the firework game that is usually played from a lot of people. But hey, it's a pretty fun game, you know? I mean, come on. I mean, you shoot fireworks and stuff and all of that. I mean, just all that kind of fun stuff. Look at this nice church. So anyways, we're going to experiment with... In today's video, we're just going to experiment, okay? We're not going to really start exploding everything because there are explosions here. We're just simply going to shoot some fireworks.
Out the cow.
So let's go ahead and place 3 down. And then let's throw a tiny nuke at it. Just to see what to do. let's just see what happens. There we go. Where's it gonna go? Oh crap. Fire! I think it worked. Whoa. That's very anticlimactic. What is this? Like a little red ball? Oh gosh. It's glowing. Flashing light warning, I suppose. Let's just do it up here. Let's do it up here. You know what? Let's see what happens if we throw... I know it's going to be a little bit boring if we don't have a lot of things, so let's place down a couple of these. Let's just watch the night fall, you know? Let's just watch the good times. This game is mostly made for 4th of July, I suppose, but it's also made for people who really like the game, I think. There we go. Here goes nothing. Oh, well, that was not what I expected. Oh! Ooh, sorry about that, buddy. Didn't think it'd be that bad. You know what? I don't really like this house. I'm tired of living in... Well, I mean, I am grateful, but there's a lot of weird things happening here. And honestly, I just can't sit there and just allow this whole house to exist without someone ruining it. Like, look at this. The door just immediately breaks. Like, this is so annoying. You know what? I don't even care about the fireworks anymore. Let's just place down a TNT and see what happens. See ya, kitchen. You were a great friend. Ooh. Okay, alright, well, that wasn't too bad. Let's look for another thing right here. Bam. There we go. So... Oh, no, please don't explode! Oh! See, that's not bad at all. However, if we go in here, and we select something like a TNT crate, let's just exit the room. Sorry, sir. Well, that's not good. I expected something worse. Oh well. See, my desktop works. Let's play some video games. What? What do you mean? What do you mean hash brown 377? Oh, excuse me. Oh man, my jacket. What was I about to say? Oh yeah. How come hash brown 223 being me? You know what? That's it. I'm going to explode my toilet because my toilet is beyond saving. Okay, y'all ready for this? Run away! Oh my goodness! I'm so sorry, house. I don't know what came over me. Hello, sir. Would you like to have a oh my god, I can't stop sneezing. Would you like a reconduction to your house?
Nope.
No. No. Well, here's the thing, buddy. It's by law, so I have to. I mean, these people nowadays, man, they just don't want their house to be remodeled. I mean, it's not like I'm just going to make their whole house explode. Like that's just a little crazy. Well, that was just uncalled for. Like uncalled for, not uncalled for. Like, but what happened? It's time for a spaceship. I'm coming with you. Come on, no! You're a good man. Man, that accelerated pretty quickly. Boom, boom. I mean, hey, who doesn't like little rocket ships here and there, you know? I mean, this house needed a little bit of reconditioning anyways. I mean, people just need to put their lives and happiness in a place like a house, you know? That's a house. Beautiful. Man, what's wrong with people nowadays? Alright. Let's just keep spamming rockets. The video was supposed to be about one little TNT, but that was just an understatement. Now we have something even more beautiful. 1 billion quadrillion cotillion TNTs. And now we have rockets. But make sure you subscribe, or Mr. Peterson has something to say about ya. Alright. Attention, all passengers. Are you guys ready to go to space? Nothing could possibly go wrong. Here we go. Have a good day. Look at little Billy go. Oh, look at little Billy. Billy, I didn't know you were so much. Guys, I cooked. All passengers should. Man, this right here, this just got crazy. Oh, well, at least nothing bad happened. Wait, Officer Jonathan, no, don't do it. What happened? Let's wait till the fog just smokes out a little bit. Lord have mercy. It's hard to even look at this thing. My game is on like 25 FPS. And once I look away from it... Hold on, let me just... Okay, we're good. Thank you all for... Wait, hold on. Let's explode this last place over here, and then we'll end the video. I don't know why I say we, but, you know... I do count you guys as well. horrible mission for the rockets. Oh well, that was pretty cool, I guess. See ya.